Do you have a passion for improving the health and well-being of others? At Acharya Institute of Allied Health Sciences, we believe that healthcare goes beyond the traditional medical model. Our experienced faculty and state-of-the-art facilities provide students with the knowledge and skills they need to become leaders in the allied health field. Our students gain hands-on experience through internships, clinical rotations, and community outreach programs, preparing them to make a difference in the lives of those they serve. Our graduates are in high demand in the healthcare industry, equipped with the skills to work collaboratively with other healthcare professionals to deliver comprehensive care. Apply now to Acharya Institute of Allied Health Sciences and join a community of passionate and dedicated professionals committed to improving the health and well-being of others.